Okay, here's a 40-inch Rabid Models Tigercat. This plane's about 20 years old. It was built in 2005, and now we're in 2025, and I've never had an outdoor video. So I wanted to take it outside and show you guys how this oldie but goodie flies. Now this plane has two carbon fiber ribbon spars and a strap right here for reinforcement. The current model kits that we're selling just have a single carbon fiber spar on the bottom. And this one also has our molded plastic cowls that are made from Coke bottles and fake motors. It's just a piece of paper stuck on there. The fake motors slow the plane down a little bit. Okay, we got the battery installed. On this airplane, it has a 3-cell battery that's tucked underneath here, held on with a zip tie. The battery can come out in case of a hard landing. And here are the controls. This has a pull-pull system. You don't need a whole lot of control throw, but that's how it works. Here's the elevator and rudder, which is optional. And on this plane I also installed flaps. There are 4 flaps, and they're also connected with this pull-pull system. A lot of lines, but you only have to do it once, and it's easily adjustable. All right, we're getting ready to fly. Today, the flying field, we have winds of about 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25, which is a lot windier than I usually like to fly this plane at, but I'm going to show how it does. I want to go ahead and start it first.
It started.
Okay, we're going to have launch this into the wind. This is about medium throttle. I'm going to stand next to you, Lee, so that I can narrate what I'm doing. Like I said, this is about medium throttle. When I come into the wind, it's going to slow down. But it certainly doesn't have any trouble handling it.
I gotta pick it up.
All right. Do you have it? Do you think you have it?
Can't see it. What?
Try looking over the top of the phone, where you can just aim it at the plane.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Now, coming into the wind here, this is still medium power. It gets tossed around a little bit, but Lee, it's over here.
Yeah, I see it. I keep losing it.
Okay, I'm going to try to do it. I'm going to come around and I'm going to do a loop.
Boy,
This is full power. Oh, I did a roll.
I can't. I am.
Maybe you should put your glasses on. You can't even see where it is.
I can't. Once I'm looking in the screen, it's totally lost. That's my problem.
To your right.
Got it.
Okay, I'm coming around. I can edit this.
Oh, you're gonna have to do a lot of editing.
Nope, I'm over on the right here.
Aye.
I'm going to go up. That's full power going straight up. And I'm power back and let it come down. No power, just wind blowing across. See, it doesn't speed up that much.
Follow the shadow.
Like I said, we could try another flight. Maybe you can put on your glasses the next time.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to land it right here in front.
Okay.
Whoa. Okay. Not bad. We're outside. It's about 10-mile-an-hour breeze coming from the south, and we're going to go ahead and launch it. That's hands off. It's wiggling around in the wind. Okay, I'm going to power up. Turn it around. It's about 1/3 throttle. Powering up. We're going to go up. It does have pretty good vertical. Just have to kind of stabilize it in the wind. The wind pushed me around. So I'll try that again. Oh, we got an enemy aircraft over here. A bird. Okay, I'm going to try to go up again. Oh, the wind pushed it around. I think the wind changed a little bit. Oh, I know what's wrong. I actually have a battery problem. So we're out here outside with a good breeze coming from the south. We're here again in that tree. You see the wind blowing leaves around. It's pretty breezy today, and I don't usually fly this in this much of a breeze, but I want to show how it can handle it. So here we go. Ready? This is hands off. You can see it's being blown around by the wind. Now I'm going to turn it. Even though it's getting blown around, it's still very controlled. This is about half throttle. Alright, here we go. I'm going to do what I did before, go up. Show it. Up and up and up. And then I throttle back and let it windmill. It doesn't speed up too much. Okay, powering back on now. Not half throttle. Kind of bumpy today. Let's see if I can do a roll. There we go. A loop. I think you were looking the wrong way. I'll do another loop.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to put the flaps down, which I don't really need in the wind.